Hey guys, it's a beautiful day. I'm in my garden and winter is almost over. And I just took off all these weeds from the soil here, and there's still more there. So what I'm going to show to you today is how to make our own fertilizer. I have this that I took off from the garden, and we have to, first step is we have to gather them like I have it here now. Yeah, and we need to cut them into small pieces. So I have my scissors and I'm gonna cut them into small pieces like this. So you can use knife and you can cut them in very tiny pieces like I'm doing now. Yeah, so you have these grasses. And so I have this 1 gallon, and what I'm going to do is I put this inside here. So I have more here that I got from the garden. You see this? This is the, we used to call this money. The leaves of this are very rich for the recovery of the soil. So we cut them also and mix them together.
We have this also.
And we have the wild lettuce. You see, we can also eat this as salad.
Sorry guys, the sound of the ambulance is too much because I think we have emergency from the neighborhood. So this is after almost 4 days.
So this is after almost 4 days.
And that's it. Thank you guys.